Hey there, affiliate marketers. Are you tired of the same old programs that promise the world but deliver very little? Well, today, I have something truly special to share with you. If you're looking for a game changer in your business, let me introduce you to Exitus Elite. This platform is not just another affiliate marketing program. It's a comprehensive system designed to elevate your business to new heights. This isn't just any affiliate marketing program. It's a 10-year-old trusted business designed to help you succeed. Imagine being part of a community that has stood the test of time and continues to thrive. Now let me tell you about the man behind Exitus Elite, Paul Stevenson. Paul is not just a name. He's a visionary who has dedicated his life to creating opportunities for people like you. He's the kind of owner who truly cares about his company and its affiliates. His hands-on approach and genuine concern for your success set him apart in the industry. With a heart for helping others, Paul has built Exitus Elite into a platform where you can earn between $100 to $2,000 in commissions. These aren't just numbers. They represent real opportunities for financial growth. But remember, you have to be willing to put in the work. Success doesn't come overnight, but with dedication and the right tools, it's within your reach. Exitus Elite is more than just a way to make money. It's a life-changing business if you want it to be. Imagine waking up every day knowing you have the potential to change your life and the lives of others. They offer products specifically designed to train you on how to build your Exitus Elite business. These aren't just any products. They are meticulously crafted to ensure you have all the knowledge and skills you need. And you're not alone in this journey. The Exitus Elite community is a vibrant, supportive network of like-minded individuals, all working towards a common goal. Exitus Elite has a dedicated sales team ready to support you. Here's the best part. This team is not just there to answer questions. They are there to ensure your success. Your leads can call the number on the sales page, and the sales team will answer any questions they may have. This personalized touch can make all the difference in closing a sale. They can even close sales for you. Imagine having a team of professionals working tirelessly to help you succeed. Imagine earning an 80% commission for doing no work. Yes, you heard that right. The sales team does the heavy lifting and you reap the rewards. And if you close the sale yourself, the rewards are even greater. You get a 100% commission. This means every dollar earned goes straight into your pocket. Exitus Elite gives you the flexibility to choose how you want to get paid instantly. This flexibility ensures you can manage your finances in the way that suits you best. PayPal, Cash App, Stripe. The choice is yours. This variety of payment options makes it easier than ever to receive your earnings. This kind of flexibility is rare in the affiliate marketing world. Most programs limit your options, but Exitus Elite puts the power in your hands. So if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, Exitus Elite is the way to go. This is not just a program, it's a movement towards financial freedom. With a trusted 10-year track record, supportive leadership, and a robust system designed for your success, the sky's the limit. Your potential is only capped by your willingness to take action. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the link in the description for more details. Staying informed is the first step towards making informed decisions. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Take the first step and see where it leads you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the future belongs to those who take action today.